If you want to wipe the cache on your Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. Now by clearing the cache on your tablet, you will fix any lagging problem or any slowdown problem on your tablet. Now there are two main methods on how to do that. The first method is to clear the cache of the apps on your tablet. Now to do that, just go to Settings, then tap on Apps. Now from this app list, just select the app of which you want to clear the cache data. For an example, I will select Galaxy Store. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on Storage. After you open the storage settings, you will find the option to clear the cache of the selected app. Just tap on Clear Cache, and as you can see, we have successfully deleted the cache data of this app. Just like that. As you can see, this app also has some cache data. Now just tap on Clear Cache, and you will delete any cache data of the selected app. Now this was the first method. The second method is to wipe the cache partition of your tablet. Now to do that, first of all, just power off your tablet. Now you can either press and hold the power button to open the power menu, or you can open the control center, and in the control center, just tap on the power icon and select power off. Now after you power off your tablet, now just press and hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time. And after you see the Samsung logo on the screen, just release both of these buttons. Now as you can see, we have successfully entered into recovery mode. Now after you enter recovery mode, now to navigate to the screen, just press the volume down button. As you can see, as I press the volume down button, it will move the cursor down. Now from here, just select Wipe Cache Partition. Now just press the power button to confirm Wipe Cache Partition. Now just press the volume down button and select Yes, and press the power button to confirm Yes. And after you do that, you will wipe the cache partition on your tablet. Now to reboot your tablet, just make sure you select Reboot System Now. And after you do that, then press the power button to confirm Reboot System Now. And this is how you can wipe the cache on the Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.